Alright. Alright, the market's about to open like in less than like 10, like 15 seconds. I'm just waiting on some. Right now, one of my two best stocks right now are. I gotta change this. Oh, dude, it sold off. It was like the thing it sold off. But we're like you said, man. We wait the first 5 minutes and then we come to decide which stocks we want to trade, and that kind of like tells me, oh my. Yo, they're almost gonna put your whole dollar. No way that how much that's how many people are though. I'm telling you, bro, the first first minute, bro, dude. I'm telling you, if you find the right stock to trade the first right on the market open, you can really make some bank. But look, oh no, it dropped like right here, and then somehow it got on my resistance, but they ain't got to 125 and stuff. But to mark these previous highs. Cause usually these could be used as support. There you go. And we just want to see what happens in the next 5 minutes, man. What the heck? The highest volume is TUP, damn. But that stock is kind of ass though, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the only stocks in my radar right now are kind of like two stocks right now. BJDX and Cook. And then other than that, I mean, I guess the third one would be ADPM. So I'll show you guys that right now. So these are the all stocks that are on my radar. Is this one, so it can break. Oh, so I'm gonna have to mark that. Since I have trouble like break this level. But yeah, I'm looking at that one, and it's this one that I'm looking at. No, that one's still an ass. I guess the older one I'm looking at right now that's actually like going crazy right now is this one right here, having a big push. A huge push. That's pretty high. It just broke this, and looking like if you want to break this, which that will be a good trade to take at, and then see if I can get to this one right here, which these new highs. Bro, that Cook one is just going crazy, bro. I don't look personally, bro. I'm being honest with you. I don't like stocks that go crazy up right in the beginning of the rip, cause it actually makes me a little bit more cautious. Like, oh shit, cause this shit can flush really quick. Like, it can just drop so fast, and that's my ass right there if it drops so fast. Yeah, ADGX, the one I'm looking at, it's not doing good. It looks like it might gonna drop, but yeah, man. To take that trade, it has to go above 1145 to see if it gets new highs. I had another low right here. If I trade this in the next 5 minutes, that means my stop loss will have to be around right here. What is that? 97 cents. I gotta get good at math. 12 cents. Oh, that's more than I can lose, bro. I mean, technically speaking, I could 12 cents, but I would like to. It's creeping back up. Is respecting that line right there. If I was gonna take this trade, I want to share 10 shares on this one. Ooh, look, after the 5-minute bell came in, it fucking absolutely destroyed through that. Pause. Kind of like doubled it, so like that could be like a support. Dude, I hate not be able to see my price on this one. 98, 5%. Alright, which stocks? I'm looking at each stock. I'm looking now. Alright. It look like it wants to break that. It could rip here, I'm not gonna lie, but if it breaks above that, you know what I'm saying, then we can see a good opportunity. Maybe it goes up. Ooh, it's picking up volume, bro. It's getting really close up to that. I guess, yeah, it's gonna break it. I knew it was gonna break it, but I was like, I gotta be very careful here because I do not want to buy in. I like to buy in the pullback. That's the type of trader I am. I don't really like buying in at the like when it's running by stuff. You gotta be very careful with that. But sometimes I can like see if it's gonna rip it, but sometimes I can't. I want to see what this next candle does. I'm gonna see what the next candle does, and if it respects it, then I can see a good buy right here. If it doesn't, then not a good. Oh, see what I mean? Perfectly what I meant, bro. Good thing I waited for that candle to finish. I was gonna push through. Now respecting this line, which could be another reversal right here. Let's see how many people. Let's see what the next candle want to do. It's always about seeing what the next candle want to do. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's what I learned from trading. That's the kind of confirmation confirmation. You know what I'm saying? It's a confirmation. That kind of like tells it, okay, like this is what the stock wants to do. Whoop-de whoop-de. I want to get to 25. And then we see from there. But it's holding that low, though. It goes to 23. Yeah, 27. I gotta be. Oh, I lost 10 cents right there. The only reason why I thought I'm like, all right, it's hitting that levels, continue it. I will say, all right, it might just go above it, but it didn't though. So that's me. Well, I think we lost like $1 on that trade, which is not bad, but unfortunate, man. I'm not gonna lie, that one kind of did bother me a little bit, just because I felt like I didn't wait for that confirmation, man. I didn't. Didn't wait for it, and I was kind of more like, oh, I think, you know what I'm saying. I was like, it's holding that level. It broke it. It's kind of staying in that. It might just wait for next candle and then break, and that would have been a good. And then we could have got like a, you know what I'm saying, to 50 and stuff. But look, now it's gonna drop down, man. And I don't think I have a. Yeah, I can't. Man, that's really unfortunate, isn't it? And I'm gonna just check something real quick, and then maybe we can get in another trade. But I gotta be this one. I'm gonna be very, very careful and really, very understanding on what can happen next. Nope. And it just broke that. It's gonna drop. I'm telling you, I had a whole 190, and then I would cut to see like maybe like a 10 cents move for this stock. I mean, I wanted to go all the way here, but this is very hard. But no, I think that's it, man. Like I said, I just checked. I really can't trade until again tomorrow. Yeah, man. Oh, look at this, bro. I'm about to. Wait, was it? No, I was trading Cook, right? I was trading Cook. It's holding right here. Like 604. I got 610 around, like 611. Yeah, it was gonna hit in that one. This could have been the pullback. Maybe I could have waited for like re-entry right here, and then maybe like continuation right here. Yeah, man, that's what we could have. Oh, that one actually did like a quick reverse, but kind of like hitting this line right here. What is that? A 4 cents drop. I'm just looking. I don't know why I'm looking at this stock. I should be looking at this one. And look, bro. It just went up to 37. I just got in the wrong candle. If I'm being, honest and stuff, I think I should have waited, bro. Because I hit my stop loss so freaking quick, man. Like, usually, like it gradually goes, like, it kind of wavers around my stop loss if you see previous. And I'm like, I seen that happen. I'm like, okay, cool. Like, that's what happens, stuff. It's part of trading. But through the way how, like, this one just went quick to my stop loss, and I just had to get out quick. And I was just thinking, like, oh, maybe I'll hold it a little bit. But now I was like, no, bro. Like, this just hit my stop loss. I'm like, just get out. And, like, if I didn't, I would have got down to, like, 611 and stuff. And then I would be like, oh, shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, shit. I mean, it did went back up to 135, but then it went straight down. This stock is definitely gonna it's gonna flush, man. Well, that's what I think. Cause look, it's under this level right here. It can't break. It broke it. It's kind of like a false breakout. And all I gotta do is just break this level, break a 10, 11, and then it's gonna be at 604. Break this, and it's just gonna drop. It's gonna be a big fall. Um. Wait, was this the one that I got in? Oh, dude, I think that I saw this one after, cause this one made this, and this was like, oh, okay. And then I broke this. The thing is, I broke this, but I broke it in one motion level. Like, it broke it in one, and it just went, doop. It just went straight up. I don't know how I feel about buying right at the candle, cause like I said, I buy pullbacks, and like that's what I seem to be like the most comfortable with. And I don't know, man. I really don't know, cause like that, I'm not like, for that I gotta do more research for sure. For that one, I had to do more research on like how to know, like, oh, like how, like, you know what I'm saying, how, because this one just went straight up. Like, if it would hit my 25 and I got to the new 70, that would have been a what, close to like a 40. That would be a 45%, which is, that's very, very good. But yeah, man, it didn't, man. Unfortunately, you know, look, see, like I told you, it broke down and went to 304. That's gonna be a new support. AK resistance if you were trading the opposite side of like reverse and stuff. Dang, I got the hiccups. Hold on. No, but yeah, I was just looking, making sure, but there you go. But no, like I said, that's like a support. Like it might just go back up, like a bounce off the 25, and then might just drop again. Like, if it doesn't break this, then honestly, maybe, man. Like, honestly, this still is a maybe. If it breaks this level, boom, right? It goes up here, break it again, and it goes up to this level, it might fall. But if it breaks it, yeah, you're gonna see the 50, and then you gotta wait. Maybe it just stops at 50, but we get out, whatever. You know what I'm saying? And then maybe you'll see. If it breaks this, oh, that's how you know, man. We'll see. Maybe we go back to the 670s. And like that's if you got it in the 604, and then it broke the 70s. In my head, it's like close to $7, and that would have been almost $1 play right there. But you know what I'm saying? That's if it does that. Right now, it's a little more settled down. We passed the 15. Wait, I got in like what? Dude, I don't know why. Sometimes it shows you and then it doesn't show you. Like, I'm supposed to extended or alert lines. Symbol show trade. I wanted it to show me some trades. I don't know why it's not. Show. It's not showing me. What if I apply now? Oh, there you go. I got in right here, aka the 25, and I got out right here at the 17, aka like right there. This is the tricky part. I mean, good thing I got out, because look at this, man. Just like, it's gonna break it. It was tactically speaking, and right on the line. And if it drops more right here, if it breaks that $6, which is looking like, and it's hitting, all I gotta do is break this line right here. I don't know how much that is. Look at that. Ooh. It's like $6. All I gotta do is break $6. That's like a psychology level. Usually people buy back on. But dang, man, it's like just hitting it though. It's not really one to reverse. But if you see like a trade 10, oh my. Yo, look at this, bro. I got to 247s. Because I was looking at it right here. I remember I was looking at 190. I'm like, oh, I need to break 190. And it did. And then just green. Boom. 190. That would be 50. How much would it got? It would have got almost 50. It got to 50. So we're just gonna, and it gets to 33, man. Then this will be a good stock to trade. But like I said, I'm not trading, man. I took the loss. I need to for sure look back. I'm definitely gonna look back in this week. I'm gonna see tomorrow, of course. Tomorrow I'm probably like see if I trade. I probably will, but I'm gonna be a little more like, not, I want to say patient, because if there's an opportunity, I gotta take it. But I'm gonna see more of with that confirmation and stuff, because man, when you see that end of candle like finally break, or you see it like kind of see if it wants to move, you kind of have a better understanding and stuff. Oh yeah, it's breaking. It's probably gonna hit this 216. Yeah. Yeah. So this thing, if it keeps touching it, then it might just break it. Or another touch, holding right there. Now it's gonna break. Yep. Respecting the 216. Nah, all it is where it wants to finish. Pause. But if it finished above that 216, that's a new support level. If it finished below that 216, that's gonna mean it's gonna want to go under. Ooh, and it's not looking good, man. It's holding that low, man. It really is pushing that low. But if buyers keep showing that they want to keep buying up on that level, then we could see a reverse. Ooh, but nah, it broke. It broke, dude. And it's about, the candle's about to end. This shit's gonna fucking, it's about to go. It's gonna go down. Like I said, all I gotta do is break this previous wick right here, which is what, 215. Except if it finishes above this candle at 216. I still can. If it finishes about 216 right here, then we might see the next candle just has to finish a little bit higher, and then we might see a little bit pullback, and then maybe finish a little bit boom, maybe. You know what I'm saying? Not from just me watching, but like you saw, if there was another stock in play, which was this one, man. If I got 190 and waited it out right here, I hold it, and then I got over to 150. That's really insane, bro. That's really insane move. That's a 60%, man. And that's insanely a lot, man. I'm not gonna lie. 2 point what? Damn, bro. I gotta like. Well, that would have been a huge move. Oh, it broke 116. I told you guys. It stayed right there. Oh, God. Oh. I'm just looking at this because this is the kind of the only thing that's came and said. But I feel a lot more better. I just need some time to like kind of like think now. Now I'm kind of like, okay, cool. Like, I feel like once I realize what I did wrong or what I should have done better next time, it kind of gives me a better understanding. And look, dude, this shit just dropped, dude. This shit dropped. It just went too fucking quick, boom, boom, and then it just fucking like absolutely just stopped and stuff. And yeah, I got out where I needed to get out. Like I said, I still following my trading plan, which is still good. This is the thing. The reason why it's not as bad, which is still bad, right? You don't want to lose, right? You don't want to lose money and stuff, but the purpose of this is because, yeah, I lost, right? I lost $1. Viewers, it sucks, man. It sucks. Trust me. But the reason why it's not as bad is because I might lose $1 right now. I might lose $1 again yesterday. But if I get one trade, say if tomorrow I trade and my risk reward is 1 to 3, that means if I win tomorrow, right, which I'm always a 1 to 3 and I get $3, that means I recovered the last 2 trades that I lost and I make an extra $1. And that, guys, is called risk to reward. Right? I don't mind losing a little bit. Right? I don't mind losing a little bit. Because once I do win, like a trade, that is going to, recover or maybe break me even. Which most of the time you want it to cover you and like maybe get some extra profit to the end. But like I said, that's why I'm not stretching too hard, because I don't mind. Like that's not too bad. Losing a $1 isn't bad, right? Because at the end of the day, I could find a trade that can make me exponentially more. And that's how like, what I'm saying, like that can be crazy. This trade, like say if I got it at where I wanted at 625, right? So and then I got to the 45 cents, right, with 10 shares times 45. Right, that's like $44, 5 cents, 50 cents. Right? Say if I get another trade like that tomorrow, I risk $1 to make $4.05. That's a 124. Oh, that to be exact, that's a 124.5. I already recovered a lot, man. So that's the only thing. The reason why, like, as for me, like, I understand now. Like, I'm not, like, yes, it sucks. Don't get me wrong. Losing is the worst. But the thing is, if you guys remember, on Monday I traded and I made like around $2. I mean, it was $1.85, so like close to like the $2 to round up and stuff, whatever. And that was kind of like the first taste of stuff. Keep in mind, this is the first week of me trading with 100, and all I'm doing is just learning. But if you guys noticed, back to what I was saying, kind of got off track with that shit. But back what I was saying is like, look, on Monday I traded and I got a winner, right? Ooh, and I made $2, right? All right, coming in Tuesday, I don't think I traded. I didn't trade Tuesday. There was no opportunity in the market. And then yesterday on Wednesday, right, I lost $1, right? A losing trade, right? Unfortunately, but I lost. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll just come tomorrow, which is today. Today I came in. I didn't read the market that great, but I got out where I needed to get out, which was another additional $1, right? But keep in mind, that means I'm break even of the day. So that means since I won $2 on Monday and I lost $1 on Wednesday and another $1 on Thursday. See, it took me 2 days to break even, right? To stay in the middle where I didn't make money or lose money. So right now, right, I didn't make money or lose money because of my Monday trade. See, it took me 2 days. 2 days. Right? It took me 2 days to make that money. You know what I'm saying? And that's good, man. That's good. And that's all about risk management, all of that. You know what I'm saying? And usually, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So if I lose $1, say 2 or 3 days, that's $3. And the next 2 trades, where I make like what? Oh, 1, 2. I don't even know if I'll come on. Would I come on even? I think so. That'll be $3. So if I'm 3 times 3, I'll still break even. Yeah, if I win, say if I lose for 3 days. Say if I lose 3 days. Like right now, right? I lost 3 days, and I'm risking $1 to make $3 for that example, right? That means in those 3 days, I lost $3 in total, right? Because I risked only $1 to make 3. Boom, I lost $3. But the next 2 days, I make those $3 back, right? I got a 3 one day, and then I ended off on another 3. That's me in net total. That means I profit $3. And that's just an example for you guys, right? Like a sample. Because like I said, my risk reward, I changed it. I used to be 1 to 2, but that one, to be honest, not the. I say the best one you can do is 1 to 3, and then anything above that just be amazing. 1 to 2 isn't bad, for my strategy, to be honest, I really wouldn't. I would have want a little bit more, just because, um, dude, like, it makes more sense to me. But yeah, man. But other than that, man, like I said, another unfortunate day. But it's okay. We got tomorrow. Tomorrow, come up more clear headed. And if you know what I'm saying, like, if tomorrow, you know what I'm saying, if I trade, I don't trade. I just gotta have the whole weekend, Saturday, Sunday, just to clear my mind, and maybe just look over my trades and kind of have a better understanding of what was going on and stuff. And then after that, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Hope I have a better clear mind, and coming on next Monday, ready to, know what I'm saying, take on some better trades and stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna end it here because, I don't want to talk to forever. I just want to, like, give out my thoughts. So when I look back on this, like, you know what I'm saying, like, maybe on, like, Saturday or Sunday, I maybe would be like, oh, okay, that's what I was thinking, and let's see where I can fix it, or see where I can, like, change it or whatever. All that's good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna end it here, and I'm probably gonna just, like, I don't know, get some breakfast or something.